Next, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 cm and 13 cm long and the distance between them is 8 cm. So now we can see how to solve. The given measures, first of all we can draw the rough figure and we can mark the given measure. Parallel side A and B are given as 25 cm and 13 cm. Distance between them is given as 8 cm. So we can write A equal to 25, B equal to 13 cm and distance between them H equal to 8 cm. Now you know that area of trapezium equal to, can you tell? Yes, it is half H into A plus B. So half H into A plus B is the area of trapezium. So we can write the values over here. So it will become half into 8 into 25 plus 13. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. So half 4 into 38, that is equal to 152 centimeter square. So area of trapezium is 152 centimeter square. Now we move to the next question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides measures 15 cm each and the third side is 12 cm. I think the question is clear. An isosceles triangle is given with the equal side is 15 cm and base equal to 12 cm. So first of all you can draw a rough figure and mark the measures given. And children, do you know what is the area of an isosceles triangle? Yes, it is b upon 4 square root of 4a square minus b square, where b is the base and a is the equal side. Here b equal to 12 cm and a equal to 15 cm. Now we can substitute the values in the formula. So we get 12 upon 4 into square root of 4 into 15 square minus 12 square. While cancelling 12 and 4, we get a 3 root 4 into 225 minus 144. That is equal to 3 into square root of 900 minus 144 equal to 3 into square root of 756. Now you can do the prime factorization of 756. So we get 3 into, under the square root you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. From each pair we can take one number outside. So we get already 3 is there outside. From under the radical we can take a 2 into 3 and inside the square root 21 will come. So while multiplying we get 18 root 21 centimeter square. So the area of an isosceles triangle is 18 root 21 centimeter square. Children, the same sum you can do it with the Heron's formula also. You also will get the same answer. Whatever be the method you are convenient, you can use that one. That is by using Heron's formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. You can apply with the measures and you will get the same answer. Thank you. Our next question. If the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 11 cm and base is 5 cm, then find the area of the given triangle. So isosceles triangle is given, perimeter is given as 11 cm. I have drawn the figure. The equal side is represented by A, base by B. So perimeter will become 2A plus B equal to 11 centimeter. Here also given base equal to base B equal to 5 centimeter. So while substituting 2a plus 5 equal to 11 centimeter or 2a equal to 11 minus 5 equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, a equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3 centimeter. We got a, that is equal side of an isosceles triangle we got. Now we can find the area of an isosceles triangle, that is equal to a square by area of an isosceles triangle is b by 4 into square root of 4a square minus b square. Now substitute the values, we get our base is 5 upon 4 into square root of 4 into a square, equal side is 3 square minus 5 square, that is 5 by 4 into square root of 4 into 9 minus 25, that is equal to 5 by 4 into square root of 36 minus 5 is 11. 25 is 11 centimeter square. This is the area of an isosceles triangle. The same you can solve with the Heron's formula also.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.